In this video, we will discuss the second level of question of this chapter, permutations and combinations, and we'll also come up with some calculation trick by detailed analysis of the questions. Let's discuss the first. How many three letters words can be made out of the letters of zoo? There are three letters in this word and you have to make a three-letter word by rearranging them. If the letters are to be rearranged, the first place of the three-letter word can either be Z or this O or this O. I've just given a color coding for two O's so that we can distinguish them. When the first letter is Z, the other letter can be this orange O or this yellow O. And when the two letters are fixed, means Z and O, then the third letter obviously this one, and here the third letter is this. Similarly here, if the first letter is this, then the second letter can either be Z or it can be the yellow O. Okay, but if it is Z, then the third letter is yellow O. If the second letter is yellow O, then the third letter is gonna be Z. Similarly, we have this. So it is similar to the previous questions. The first place of the three-letter word can be filled up by three different ways, which is Z, O, O. But once the first one is fixed, we have two ways to fill up the next. You can see in each case there are two. And once the two places are fixed, first and second, we just have one way to fill up the next. And the total number of ways are actually 3 into 2 into 1, which is also called 3 factorial, which also means 6. No? And you can see that there are 6 words. Z O O, Z O O, it's O Z O, O O Z, O Z O, O O Z. No? Okay, but if the question is how many three letters unique words can be made out of the letters of zoo? Here you can see I just given them color coding. Basically they are only simple O's in English alphabets. Here they are Z O O. We cannot distinguish them. No? So if the question is how many three letters unique words can be made out of the letters of zoo, then it's not 3 factorial, because here you can say these two words are same. No, here you can say O Z O and one more O Z O is here, and here you can see O O Z, then again O O Z is here. These O are gonna be same. No, so basically the number of ways are not 3 factorial. You can say every word is twice. Z O O is twice, and here OZO is also 2 times and OOZ is also 2 times. So basically the total number of unique words which can be made out of the letters of zoo are 3 factorial divided by 2. Okay, let's discuss one more example. Now let us make a flow chart of the letters of the word dad. I purposely chose this as DADD. Okay. So, if these letters are to be rearranged, then your first letter can be either of these 4. That means it can be this, this, or this, and this. But if it is first is this, if the first letter is this, so then the second letter can be A, D, and D. That means this, this, or this. But if your first letter is A, then first is D, second is A, then the third can either be D or this T, means this or this. Okay, and if it is a third letter is third D, then the fourth is also gonna be D, and here also it's D. If your first letter is D, second is D, then your third letter can be either A or D. But if it is A, then your fourth letter is D, or if it is D, then your fourth letter is gonna be A. Similarly here, if your second letter is first is D and second is D, then third and fourth can be A and D, and then fourth, if it is A, then it is D, or something like this. Here, if your first letter is A, then the second can be if the first letter is A, second can be this T, or this T. No, that means like this. I made a color coding here. If it is red, then the third letter can either be green or yellow. If it is green, then the fourth is yellow. If it is yellow, then the fourth is green. Similarly, we have this. Okay, Now the flow chart for these two D's is exactly gonna be like this. So let's make them here. And these are the flow charts for this. Now how many words are there by rearranging them? So it's D. First is D, A, D, D. First letter, second letter, third letter, fourth letter. Then the one more, first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. There are many ways, no? So basically, how do we calculate it? It's like your first letter can be filled up by four different ways, then your second three, then the next is two, then it is one. But if we look at this question from uniqueness point of view, as we did earlier for the first sum, how many unique words can be formed? Here you can see these all are 4 factorial ways. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That means 24. So there are 24 words, but the words are repeating here. The combinations are repeating here. Okay, if we see them carefully, you can see every combination is 6 times. You can pick any combination. Just look here, this one, D D D A. So D D D A is once, D D D A is 2 times. So 2 times it's gonna be here also because they are exactly same, and 2 times here also. That means total 6 times. Look for any word A and triple D. So A triple D is gonna be 6 times, and all 6 are here only. A triple D, A triple D. These all words are A triple D only. Okay, if you look for D A double D, so D A double D is here, then again here 2 times here, so here also and here also 6 times. So every is 6 times. Okay, so in these 24 words, every word is repeated 6 times. Okay, so how many are unique words then? Those are actually 24 divided by 6. That means only 4. Okay, so actual unique words that can be made by rearranging them are 4 factorial divided by 6, which is actually equals to 4, and those 4 are DADD, okay, and then DDAD, okay, and then you have DDDA, okay, these are repeated here, and then fourth one is here. You can try it out in your notebook. So there are 4 factorial divided by 6. We figured out this answer by detailed analysis of the flowchart here. But we cannot go in such detail in every question for every new question. No? We figured out this answer by detailed analysis of the flowchart. But we cannot go in such detail for every new question. No? So we must find out some shortcut to visualize this. So let's discuss that. And for next 1 minute, I just need your complete attention here. Let's focus on any of the word. Let's take this one. Out of 24, this is one of the word. And let's figure out how come we have 6 copies of this word. No? First, just try to understand how come we have 6 copies. Because in one case, it was D1, D2, D3. In the other case, it was D2, D1, D3. Third case, D3, D1, D2. And then many changes can be brought in here. No? So that's why we have 6 copies. Okay, and the way to look at, the mathematical way to look at this is this, that this place can be filled up by any of the 3 Ds, and once this place is filled, this can be filled by remaining 2 Ds, and we are left with 1 D for this place. So in total, this letter, these 3 Ds can be arranged in these many ways, which is actually equals to 3 factorial ways. And so in every word, the second word, which is DDAD, the 3 Ds can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, means 6 ways. So every unique word is actually present here in 3 factorial times. No? So 6 times. So we can easily get to know this 6 number through this. No? So total number of unique words that can be made out of DADD are actually 4 factorial over 3 factorial. 4 factorial accommodate all the possible permutations of the word DADD. It includes the copy of each word 6 times. By dividing this by 3 factorial, that means 6, we actually undo the effect of those copies. So the answer for this question is this. On the similar patterns, answers of many more questions like this can be obtained. You may try out these questions. You can find out the possible unique words that can be made out of the letters of these words. Let's focus on design. Design, there is no repetition of letters. So how many different words can be made by rearranging them? That's very simple. Cook, this word has 2 O's. Initially, there are 4 letters. To make a 4-letter word, by rearranging the letters, we can actually make 4 factorial words, as the first place can be filled up by 4 ways, second by 3, then 2, then 1. That means 4 factorial ways. But because of 2 O's, there's gonna be repetition of words. To undo that effect, we just have to focus on any word made by these 4 letters. Let's take that word as cook only. How many different words can be made by switching these O's? Those are 2. So when you'll make a flow chart of this word, so cook word will appear 2 because of 2 O's. One time CO1 O2 K and the other time CO2 O1 K. So it's basically depends upon how many times these 2 O's can change their positions. So there are actually 2 ways. This word has 9 letters and there are repetition of some letters N, A and I. If we make a flow chart without looking at the repetition, there are gonna be 9 factorial words. That means there are 9 factorial arrangement of these letters. And you know how? But because of the repetition in the letters, the unique words are less than 9 factorials, no? And how many repetitions are there that we have to see? For that, we have to focus on any one word made by these letters. Let that word be Britannia only. Now, this is one of the combination. So, if you look here carefully, Britannia can appear many times. First one, when it is I1 and this is I2. Second one, when this is I2 and this is I1 and rest are the same. No? Second, when this is A1 and this is A2 and the other one when this is A2 and this is A1. Similarly with the N. So in this way there are gonna be 8 Britannia words. No? And in the similar way, every arrangement of letter will have 8 copies. Okay, so we must undo the effect of 8. So 9 factorial contain every letter 8 times. So actually the number of unique words made by the letters are 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. That means actually 8. So please try out these questions on this pattern. If you have any queries, please post in the comment section. Answer for these words will be revealed in the next video. Till then, thank you.